Hi everyone, and welcome to the Science Open House. My name's Andy, and I'm a pharmacy student at the University of Waterloo. Today, I'm just going to be talking to you a little bit about pharmacy. Have you ever wondered what a pharmacist does? Well, pharmacists are medication experts, and you'll often find your pharmacist wearing a white coat just like this in the pharmacy. Pharmacists work at various different locations, such as Shoppers Drug Mart, Costco, hospitals, and doctor clinics as well. Pharmacists work alongside doctors and nurses, all to help people feel better. Next time you go to your local pharmacy, make sure to say hi to your pharmacist. In order to be a pharmacist, you must love learning about topics such as science and math courses, so make sure to listen in class. You also must really enjoy talking to people and helping people out.
When you get sick, your doctor will write down medications on a piece of paper to bring to us, the pharmacist. On that paper, it tells us what medication you need to feel better, and we will bring that medication to you.
Before we do, we make sure that the medication will not make you sick and that you're given the right amount. We also make sure that the medication works for you. We can help your parents pick a medication that would help you feel better, such as Tylenol for your cold.
And if you don't know how to use certain devices, we can also teach you how to properly use it. Around this time, everyone will be getting flu shots to protect from getting sick. And guess what? You can get your flu shot by your pharmacist at your local pharmacy. Here's a video of a pharmacist giving a flu shot.
Approachable.
Smart.
Understanding.
Medicine expert.
Responsible.
Trustworthy.
Detailed.
An advocate.
Easily accessible.
Self-care advice hero.
Supportive.
Caring.
Compassionate.
Dedicated.